Hey, you welcome. In this video, you discover the new way you can craft Facebook ads copy that appeal to your target audience and also compel them to click using the back framework.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it,
then keep watching this video. And the shortest part of using this framework is that it will guide you to write an ad copy that is compliant on Facebook ads platform, so you do not have issue with Uncle Mark or get your account disabled or restricted. Now, here is the thing: even if you are not a copywriter, trust me, this will help you no matter what you are selling, no matter who you are selling to. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video tutorial. Okay, so welcome back. Now here is the thing, guys. You see, whatever you are selling, products, services, or any of your offer that you want to advertise, make sure it is doing one thing, and that one thing is what? Bringing transformation to your customer, bringing them from a state that they are trying to move away, run away from, to a state that they want, that they desire, that they aspire to be. Do you understand? Once you can figure that out, then what your ad copy needs to do is to articulate the transformation. So to put together this transformation into writing so that your customer, your prospective customer, can see what you are trying to do. So before I break down the framework, the back framework that I'll be using, please do like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar video tutorial or solution. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish valuable content like this every Thursday, and trust me, you want to be the first person to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Okay, so before I jump into my Facebook Ads Manager to write a copy, let me just break down what the back system is. Now, B stands for before, A stands for after, and C stands for call to action. So I'll just explain this part briefly. I don't want this video to be lengthy. So before state is talking about what your customers are currently, or prospective customer or clients are currently experiencing, and they are trying their best, doing all they can do, putting all the effort to run away from that experience, to run away from that position. That is what your before status should talk about. I hope that's very clear. Okay, so let me give an example. Now let's assume you are selling a make money online course. I think most of you can relate with that. Now you are trying to sell this course to people that are doing 9 to 5, and please listen, I do not have any issue with people doing 9 to 5, so I'm just using this as an example, right? So your before state in your copy could be talking to them in such a way that, are you always looking forward to the closing period from your work? Something like that. I'm not writing a copy now, so I'm just trying to give you an idea of what I'm saying. Do you understand? So a before state is where they are trying to, like, what they are currently experiencing that they are trying to move away from. So for example, let's assume you are selling a stretch mark remover cream. So you know, some people, some lady with stretch mark, they do not have the confidence to put on bikinis, to put on some what's it called, what do you guys call it now, all these dresses, probably go to the swimming pool or to the beach. So that is their before state. I hope that's very clear. So that is the state that they are currently in, and they are looking for solution to move away from. I hope that's very clear. Okay, so now let's talk about the after state. Don't forget before, after. Now the after state is where you introduce your offer. It could be your product, it could be your service. Do you understand? Digital product or physical product. You introduce your offer as the solution, as the messiah, as the savior that will save them from their before state and bring them to the after state. So the after state is the state where they want to be. That's the state they aspire to be. Don't worry, I will give you an example. I'll write a copy right here live so you understand what I'm saying, and this works for whatever thing you are selling. I hope that was very clear. So for example, now let's assume you sell cosmetic products, cosmetics and stuff like that. So ladies want to have that glowing face, that flawless beauty, without the need to always do makeup every time they want to go out. So once you can understand the before and after state, you just need to articulate everything together, then trust me, you have your copy. Don't forget, I'll recap. Then okay, let me say the last one, which is the call to action. So you want to tell them, okay, so if you're interested to get this product, to get this offer, then visit our website to shop now, or book a call, or register here to get access to this webinar. It could be anything that you're advertising or selling. So let me just recap the back system again. You state the before state, talk about the after, introduce your product or your service as a solution to bring them and move them from that before state to the after state. You understand? And then you give them the call to action. Tell them what to do. So if you do not tell people what to do, they will just like read your copy and they will be asking themselves, so what next? Even though you have the link there. So always tell them what to do. Okay guys, so I'll jump right into my Facebook Ads Manager and I'll give you an example. We use this same back framework. Okay guys, so here is the thing. Before you start creating your copy itself, I want to believe you have done enough research, or probably you have understanding of the market, of your customer and your product. This research is very, very vital, so you don't have creative block while writing your copy. And if you don't know how to do that, just go watch this video where I shared how to use Facebook Ads Library. That's the best way to get inspiration for your copy and your creative. I'll put the link in the description, or just visit adeleke.com/spy, or visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen. Okay, so let's get started guys. So this is not a real campaign, this is just a dummy campaign. I'll just select sales and continue. So here is the thing guys, I'll fast forward this particular part because I'm not talking about creating a Facebook ads campaign, I'm talking about how you can craft your your advert copy. And I also have a video on this already, the new way in which you can create a conversion campaign on Facebook. So just go to adeleke.com/ccc after watching this video. Don't worry, I'll put all of this link in the description of this video. Make sure you check it out. So I'll fast forward this part. The only thing I'll do here is to select my event and placement. So I'll not be explaining whatever I'm doing here. Okay, so let's talk about the ad itself, where we would write our copy, right? So that is why we are actually here. So I'll be using my newly launched agency, Convert Agency, as a case study. So let's assume we are creating an advert for my agency. So let me just upload an image, then we'll focus on writing what's it called, the copy itself. The reason I'm uploading an image so that we can see the preview on the right hand side. So the first part of our framework is what again? Before state. So our agency is a digital marketing agency where we help businesses, we help them set up and manage their campaigns, their Facebook ads campaign, their marketing campaign and systems, so that they can get consistent sales. So that's what we do. Now, people that are interested in our service, the before state that they are currently is that they are always worried of attracting or generating new customers. Like they don't know when the next customer will come. They are using hope as a strategy. I hope you understand. So we want to take them from that state of not hoping to get a customer to be sure and certain that they will always get a customer. I hope that's very clear now. Or another state could be they are currently doing what we are doing. They are currently running advert, but they are wasting money on their advert because it is not converting. So we are saying, you see, instead of you wasting your budget, instead of you wasting your money on advert that don't convert, why not just visit us today, book a call with us today, and we'll stop all of those wastage. We'll stop all of those wastage of resources, of money, and we'll get you results. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this works for whatever thing you are selling, for product, for services, whatever thing you are selling, it works. I hope that was very clear. Okay, so let me just write something here, right? So let me just use one of the before states that I've stated right now. So I can say something like, tired of wasting money on ads without getting results. So here is the thing. In fact, I would prefer to use this particular angle, because if you see something like this and you understand, it means probably you have ran adverts in the past and you just wasted money, you're not getting results, or you are just frustrated. You understand? So that way you'll be able to resonate with what my advert is saying. So this is the before state. Tired of wasting money on ads without getting results. Ads convert digital marketing Don't forget, when I was explaining, this was the before state, right? Then I said introduce your product, introduce your offer, introduce your service as the solution. Do you get it now? So this is the before state. Now this is me introducing our offer or our service, and the name of my business or agency is what? Convert Digital Marketing Agency. And this is the after state that we are promising our customer. This is what will help them achieve. So we'll help them set up marketing systems and launch profitable adverts that consistently generate sales and quality leads for your business at minimal cost. And this is actually what we do. Do you get it now? So this is the before and after that we have covered. So what's the next you want to do? So you can say book a free discovery call today. Then I'll put the link to book, or I can say learn more today. So I will also advise you can use emojis, right? So just click on this. So I prefer to use emoji to point to my links. So I'll select this, and I'll just put the link to our website. So if you are watching this and you want us to undo your advert and marketing campaigns, you can also visit us, right? So guys, as simple as it is, trust me, this will convert. Then you launch your campaign and you are good to go. Now here is the thing. You see, this before state, you can talk about their problems that they are currently facing, or their desire, what they intend to have, what they aspire to have. So here is the thing. You don't need to, if you have so many ideas, so many marketing angles running through your head, you don't need to trouble yourself. All you need to do is test different marketing angles, test and see the one that will work best for you. So here is the thing. If I want to just elongate this particular copy and probably just make it longer and test some things, maybe test short, medium and long copy, I can say something like and if I want, I can also slap in some scarcity and urgency. Maybe say something like we are only taking 3 clients this month. Few slots available. Simple, guys, simple. You understand? So if you are selling a product, you can say you have a limited stock available for sale. Do you get it now? So that's it. So what else? And another thing you can do is make use of emoji. So I can just click on this. So let me look for something. Let me look for something that depicts that tiredness, tired of. So I can use something like this or this. So I think this. Which should I use? So let me use this. I think. So you can use emoji. Emoji also helps a lot. It helps. Tired of. And another thing you can do is you can make this particular part to be very bold. Understand? So you can use Yaytext. Can you see? So search for Yaytext. Come here, and all you need to do is scroll down, paste. Agree. Paste whatever you want to paste, then use this one and copy. Can I see copy? Come back to your ad. So it should just make your advert to stand out. Can you see it is now bold? Can you see now it is now bold? Tired of wasting money on ads without getting results? Ad convert. So this could be better, right? It could be better, but trust me, this will also do well. And at the headline, you can buttress what or summarize what the copy is talking about. Get new customers daily, or let's say every day, or make sales every day. Can you see? Get new customers every day, or make sales every day. So once you have done that, then at the website, just put your website. So anybody that clicks on the advert would visit our website. So the call to action button, the CTA button for this, I think book now will be better, right? Or learn more. So just click on this. So when they visit our website, they will see this, and they'll be able to book a discovery call with us. Can you see? So here is just what I want to share with you guys. Okay guys, so here is the thing. I'm very sure and certain that you have learned a lot from this particular video. By now you should be able to craft compelling Facebook ads copy. But in case you want to learn more, you want to have more understanding of how to write Facebook ads copy, compliant compelling Facebook ads copy, I have a course, a 14 module course, and I dedicated one module where I expanded more on this same subject, which is the Facebook ads copy. I shared how you can make your research, some questions you need to ask yourself before you start writing your Facebook ads copy, and I even shared up to 12 of my best converting Facebook ads copy in that same course. And not just that, I also created some fill in the blank template that will help you easily come up with a copy for whatever product, service, offer, and even for health products, whatever thing you are selling, this will help you. So if you're interested, just go to adeleke.com/Facebook-art. The link, just visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen. Now before you go, check out this particular video where I explain the new way you can target on Facebook ads platform, and also check out this on how you can create a Facebook video ad that convert. Okay guys, so that will be all for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.